everyone, Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, do the touch sampling rate comparison between the Poco X3 Pro versus the Realme X7 Max device. As you can see, friends, these are the both phones which I'm trying to use right now. And just today only I started to make the videos on the Poco X3 Pro, and a lot of users they did ask me one question: can you please compare the touch sampling rate between these two phones? That is what this video is about. And one thing is that the Poco X3 Pro has got the 240 Hz touch sampling rate. That is what the company is claiming. Let's see whether we are getting 240 Hz or not. And is the Realme X7 Max, which has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. That is what the Realme is claiming, 360 Hz. So I'll try to use the same application in both phones to test the touch sampling rate. Let's see what is happening actually. So first, let me show you exactly the refresh rate. So the reason why I'm showing refresh rate is because the touch sampling rate score will also impact by what refresh rate I'm trying to use. As you can see, I'm trying to use a 120 Hz only. As you can see, friends, only 120 Hz, not in the auto. That's the one thing. And now let's go to the application which I'm going to test, which is a touch multi-touch test application. So it should be somewhere around here. I think, yep, here. So this is the application which we use actually to test the touch sampling rate in any device. If you want, you can download this application name and you can test your phone as well, how much your phone has got touch sampling rate. So now let me show you, friends. So right now I'm getting the score about 360 kind of thing, close to 360. As you can see, 350 and somewhere around that, 355 and 360. So try to consider the 360. So what you need to do is that 360 minus 120. So 360 minus 120. So 240 Hz touch sampling rate we are getting in the Poco X3 Pro. That's perfect. What the company is claiming, and we are getting the same kind of thing. And in the Realme X7 Max, my model exactly is my variant is 8 GB variant, exact variant. Let me just show you. As you can see, 8 GB RAM variant. So now let me try to test the touch multi-touch. So let's see how much we should get. Right now I'm getting only kind of close to 360. As you can see, it's not increasing more than that. The reason is because if I try to do the 360 minus refresh rate 120, I'll get the 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X7 Max. That's kind of completely weird. I'm not sure why I'm getting this kind of 360 Hz only. Let me try to do one thing. So a lot of users also, they recommended me try to click on the do not optimize the application. So maybe you might get more touch sampling rate. Let me do the same thing, do not optimize. Let's see what will happen if I try to do those kind of things. Let me go back to the application and test the touch sampling rate. Still it's the same, no change. As you can see, friends, no change at all. The touch sampling rate, I'm not getting anywhere close to 360 Hz in the Realme X7 Max. Please, friends, in case if you have the Realme X7 Max, try to test this application and try to comment the score, how much you are getting in the Realme X7 Max. Even after the recent software update, even after doing the multiple resets, I'm not getting that kind of touch sampling rate, which I am really expected from this Realme X7 Max, but I'm not getting. So please try to comment under my videos. And next application is the touch sampling rate to test. Let me try to show you. So this application basically we use to see how much touch response the screen actually is when you're trying to move the finger. Let me do at the same time. I'm trying to move the finger a little bit kind of slowly in both phones, as you can see. Same line. I'm trying to move a little bit faster. Same result and faster. As you can see, the same type of touch inputs can be found in both phones. As you can see, same type of touch inputs. So if the Realme X7 Max has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate, what it was supposed to have, so you'll see the very smooth lines, not this kind of all the circles. More touch will be detected. So that is what I am right now confused. This is only one question which still I cannot remove from my head from the starting day of buying this phone to till now. There's only one problem which is bothering. So there are a couple of other issues as well which are still bothering in the Realme X7 Max. I'll try to make another video on that particular topic, so make sure to stay tuned on this video. But in case if you have the Realme X7 Max and if you are getting 360 Hz, so you have to get overall score. Let me try to explain. 360 plus 120. So you should get 480. So 480, you should get the score when you're trying to use this application, which is a touch multi-test. You should see 480 on this one. Whereas MI Linux can do that. MI Linux can do the 480. That is the reason I'm trying to mention. So why I'm not getting in this phone. That is the one thing. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until stay tuned for more updates. Bye.